In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Nano Banana, a powerful tool that combines the functionalities of Gemini AI's image generator and photo editor to create stunning images tailored to your preferences. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Perform a search for Nano Banana. You should see a list of results, among which you'll find the link titled Nano Banana, Gemini AI Image Generator and Photo Editor. Click on this link to access the Gemini platform. Once you're on the Gemini platform, look for the option that says Try Gemini and give it a click. You'll be taken to Gemini's application interface, where the magic happens. Here, you'll see a big, appealing button labeled Create Image. Click on this button to get started with creating your image. At this point, you'll be prompted to type in your creative prompt. This is the description or idea you have in mind for the image you want to generate. Be as descriptive as you like, since this will guide the AI in creating something closer to your envisioning. Feel free to edit and refine your prompt as much as you need until the generated image matches your expectations. Now, you also have the option to add files. Click on Add Files if you wish to upload an existing photo that you want to work with. This feature allows you to blend your uploaded images with your prompt to create composite images and achieve even more personalized results. Once you've uploaded your files, hit Upload Files to get them into the system. One of the coolest features of Nano Banana is its ability to blend multiple photos together seamlessly. After you've uploaded more than one image, type in a prompt that tells the AI how you would like these images to be combined. You can specify changes like altering the background or blending elements to appear in a different location. If at any point you're not satisfied with the generated image, don't worry. Simply look for the Redo option right below the photo. This allows you to adjust your prompt or try a new concept without starting from scratch. On the other hand, if you're happy with your result and want to keep it, just hover over the image. In the top right-hand corner, you'll find the option to download a full-size copy of your creation. And that's it for today's tutorial on using Google Nano Banana. With these steps, you should have all you need to start generating unique and creative images effortlessly. Thanks for watching and happy creating.